Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you a very happy and bright yellow look for Saptami so that you can wear this and go pandal hopping. I started with the PAC Spotlight Primer, which is amazing. It has this brightening effect and it holds makeup really well and long. And I filmed this bright and early in the morning. I loved the sunshine on my face and I thought it was so apt for this look. So I'm using the shade called Cashew, and I'm using this particular one because I want the foundation to be very long lasting. Then I am going to apply some concealer underneath my eyes. Apply it wherever you need to. If you need to color correct, do that as well. And then I am going to show you this pizza puff. Oh my god, this is so good. In case you have not tried this, try this. Use this with any of the powder that you have to set your makeup. It is amazing. And then this is the highlight of the look, my little baby in Delicious. You can use it as a liner or an eyeshadow, and I'm using it as an eyeshadow today. It is extremely bright, intensely pigmented, very easy to blend once it's semi-set, and I'm just using it on the inner corner of my eyes like this, both on the upper and lower lash line. And I'm just tapping it wherever I want the color, and right before it sets you can just go ahead and use an eyeshadow brush to blend it out. You can use this NYX palette. I'm actually using this one from Morphe. You can use any orange eyeshadow that you have, and I'm just applying that starting from the yellow and then blending it outwards all over in like an angle shape. You can use a sellotape to help you define the shape, and then I'm using a clean brush to blend it all out. I actually lost the footage where I showed you how I applied the lashes. I'm wearing this magnetic false lashes, which is actually really easy. And then I went ahead and used my trusted Pierce soap to do my eyebrows. I love doing this. And then I used the K-Beauty contour. I used the cool shade to contour. I really like it, blends very well. And then I used this coral shade. This is from Lakme, a very natural looking blush. And then I picked up a little bit of Soft and Gentle and applied it using the same blush brush. And for lips I kept it very simple, very wearable, very long lasting. Again, this is the L'Oreal one. It feels so lightweight on the lips. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys love this look. I hope you have an amazing Pujo season, and I'm sending you all my love.